guys, it's SRF 2000 here again, and today I'll be unboxing the 118 Hot Wheels Elite Ferrari California 250 GTO. I bought this from eBay for about 150 Sing dollars. I think it's a good buy because I can't really find this anywhere, and it's the original rate that I wanted, not the matte rate for the 50th anniversary version. So far I see no bubbling at all, so that's really nice. So let's unbox this. So the back of the box, you got these features of the car and the usual licensing. So here's the car without the box. Other than the bubble there, overall the paint looks very nice and smooth. Minimal bubbling, which is extremely good. But Singapore's weather will eventually make it turn to shit. I'm just gonna unscrew the card from the base.
Kansas that were very pleasant today. However, we are looking for a new front to begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of Durham. And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
So I just finished unboxing this car, and overall it looks very well detailed, even on the inside, especially the underbody as well. There's a cool feature where these two things help to hold down the engine cover. I need to open it and twist it in order to be able to open the engine cover. As you can see, it falls out, so it helps to keep the engine cover in place. So this is my unboxing video. I will do a walk around soon when I have the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a nice day.
That begins at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then you'll see the cloud pattern move until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, it's moving